Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech2 Audio. This is a slightly different video than I would normally anticipate to make. This is an unboxing of a laptop a family member has purchased, and I'll reveal it all shortly. Let's get into this packaging. I'm hoping that you guys found this interesting. Like I say, this laptop's for a family member, so I'm not 100% certain how much hands-on time I'll get with this to give any further follow-up video for. But I'm hoping I'll be able to give you some more feedback on how it actually performs once it's all up and running. So let's get it out of that packaging. And this is a ASUS laptop. Okay, let's try and bring that better into shot there. ASUS in search of incredible. Okay, I just need to study the camera and then I'll be able to get into the actual main box. Let's have a little look around the packaging. Yeah, the usual little carry handle. There's a bit more information here on the rear of it. Let's see. I'll bring the camera a bit nearer into there. Don't know if that come out or not. It's an Intel i7, 16 gigs. We'll go through the specs a little bit more later on. Let's just get this open. Sorry, let's try and get the tripod steady again. There we go. Seems to be some tape. There's some more information on this side. That's just the model number, which is ux393-HK004T. Now, this is where I may need to get a knife. Okay, so there was some tape here. I've just had to slice that. Nicely packaged. Okay, so the laptop itself is going to slide out of this box, I think. Okay. Here is another box. Okay, I think that's everything out of the box apart from the protective packaging. It is packaged with these very, very secure foam type packaging things. Let's see what was in that main box. Seems to be some kind of case, which, you know, it's a nice touch having a case included. Box which contains the laptop. It's very nice, quite stylish. I do like the look of the ASUS packaging. It's a Zenbook. And I guess this box here is just going to be the power cable and brick. So let's start with the case, carry case. It's not the best carry case you'd ever go out and purchase yourself separately. There's this branding there, but you know, it's nice to have it with it. You've got something to immediately use. It's quite soft fabric inside. It's going to stop the laptop from getting scratched up or anything. So you know, you've immediately got something to give it a bit of protection. So that, you know, it's nice to get that in the box. Okay, just get a small blade. Just get that open. And it's nicely presented. Yeah, so here's the power brick. It's got the kind of usual Mickey Mouse style cable, USB-C. Okay. Put that to one side. It has a UK plug. Obviously we're in the UK. What else is in here? Ah, okay. It's a headphone, 3.5mm headphone dongle. So it looks to me like this laptop won't have a headphone socket. It's going to have to be through the USB-C, which is a little bit of a shame. I don't know why they couldn't have just fitted one onto something the size of a laptop, but there we go. It's the way of the world. I'm sure it won't be too big of an issue. There seems to be, those dongles seem to be everywhere now anyway, so it's very unlikely anyone's going to be caught out without one now. Most people will tend to have some kind of Bluetooth headset now, I should imagine anyway. So let's get into the main laptop itself. Just putting up a fight. Not very elegant. I just managed to pick up a screw that I had lying around from a job I'm in the middle of at the moment. So that's what I've used. No fancy knives here. And you know, I think knives probably overrated and you can just use a screw that's lying around. The box has got a bit of weight to it. There we go. Do like this look, the ASUS Zenbook in gold against the black. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit on there. Don't know if you can make that out. It's nice and embossed in gold. The light's a bit bright in here, so you probably can't see it very clearly. Okay, that's this open. Oh, that is very nice. As you lift the box up, the whole laptop rises up out of the box. Let's see if I can show you. It's not going to work there. So the laptop actually rises out as you lift the lid up. Can't really capture it on the camera at the angle it's on at the moment. But yeah, it's very, very nice presentation. Lifts up. The Zenbook and the environment, this says here. I don't know exactly what that is. And the Zenbook itself, I'm beginning to get a glimpse of it. The ASUS branding. Let's just put that to one side. See what we have in here. Okay, it's just various paperwork. In search of incredible, and says warranty card, user guide. Put that back. I think that is it for the box. Yeah, I do like that packaging. It's very nice. Nice, sleek black box. To the laptop itself. Okay, it's got a nice weight to it. It's fairly light. It's got this very nice bronze look to it, to the edge detailing. It's all metal, the laptop, some kind of aluminum. Okay, let's get this open. I'm very grateful for my family members who let me open this for them. Very nice at the back, just very plain, very supple. The back, it says Zenbook series. This is the front here. That nice bronzy detail, probably coming out more yellowy gold on the camera, but it's a nice rose gold, like bronze. And I believe we have here the SD card and the LAN. On the left hand side we have HDMI, USB-C, USB-C, and then some LEDs. I don't know exactly what what these will be doing with the video out. That looks like it's powering as well. I'd need to check. I haven't looked at the manual. I don't know very much at all about this laptop at this point. It's a very nice experience that ASUS have provided with this. packaging. It's very nicely done. Lovely keyboard. It's a quiet keyboard, a nice travel on the keys. Doesn't seem to be any, there's a slight flex but not too much there. Separate power key. Sound by Harman Kardon. The other nice feature with this laptop, let me just move the camera over somewhat, is a little bit with like the opening the box raised up the laptop. Let me just move the camera. Yeah, I've just moved the camera. I've just stopped and started the video there so I could get a better angle for you. What I wanted to show was this detail. I think it's really nice attention to detail from ASUS is when the lid is raised. Let me get the camera in focused. When the screen's raised, it's very hard to do this one-handed. Bear with me a minute. It lifts the whole laptop up into a more comfortable typing position. If that comes across at all in this video. I do like that. That's a really nice bit of attention to detail. I haven't got the screen quite as far back as it will go. You can see how thin the laptop is from this angle. It is a very mobile piece of kit and incredibly stylish. I think it looks really, really nice. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Do leave comments. I know I haven't provided much in the means of specs in this video. Let me know if you want me to go over a few more details and over things like the secondary display and the touchpad. I'm going to stop the video here. I won't start the laptop up. It has got a touch screen. I can make another video going over the specs in more detail. This touch screen, the second screen and the touchpad, the touch screen, and the fact that it's got this Pantone validated certificate, which I would hope that means that the colours on the display are to a certain standard for design. Like I say, guys, please like and subscribe. Let YouTube know this is a video worth watching. I hope you think it is. And please like and share my channel so others can view it. I'll leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.